In crypto, we always have to pay attention to what the whales are doing. Forget about what everybody else says. Pay attention to what these heavy hitters do. Now, last week I noticed that Ethereum and Arbitrum whales traded more than $200,000 and $50,000 respectively, but the question remains, what are they buying? Whale activity should be an indispensable part of your buying strategy. And so in that spirit, we're counting down 3 altcoins that they're buying up right now. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Look, whale activity or otherwise, I wish you well if you choose to invest. But I'm not a financial or investment advisor, which means this video is not official financial or investment advice. Heads up if you're watching this video because we have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit, this time with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can get your share and you can earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. Also, we're launching our brand new trading competition that has up to $51,000 in its prize pool. And the idea here is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. And if you want to find out more, just click the link in the description below. Okay, to begin with, we're looking at an old favorite, especially of mine personally, Chainlink, ticker LINK, which has seen a lot of recent activity in the last few days. And according to sentiment shown here, whales are showing massive interest in its native token, LINK. Chainlink's GitHub developer activity has increased pretty sharply this summer. And in addition, whales and sharks, so those with 100,000 to 10 million LINK, now hold the most coins since December 2022. And last month, lots of wealthy investors swapped Ether for LINK following the release of the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, the CCIP. Whales also added upwards of $6 million to their LINK holdings, and the heightened demand chased the LINK price to surge by about 6%. Chainlink's CCIP has brought a new spark to the protocol. CCIP, in essence, is designed to help build cross-chain applications and services, and it's available to all developers on the following testnets. So Arbitrum Goerli, Avalanche Fuji, Ethereum Sepolia, Optimism Goerli, and Polygon Mumbai. And Chainlink's growth from about $2.25 to over $50 in the 2020 and 2021 bull market is a clear reflection of the high demand for reliable off-chain data within blockchain applications. Although Chainlink trades at only about $7 at the time of this recording, it remains one of the standout Oracle service providers. And the recent launch of the CCIP is another milestone because it aims to facilitate seamless communications between all kinds of different blockchains. They're actually using Chainlink to connect with different blockchain networks, which of course brings a lot of potential for Chainlink into the discussion. The only news that we see on Chainlink consistently tends to be good news, and so we feel it's very undervalued right now. Moving right along at number 2 on our list, we're looking at Maker, ticker MKR. So Maker protocol has seen pretty heavy adoption in recent weeks. Data actually shows that Maker is seeing significant deposits, swaps, and accumulations carried out by the top guys in the market. And some of these players even include prominent VC firms. One notable swap involved MakerDAO founder Rune Keck, and data from Spot on Chain showed that he acquired 1,613 MKR by swapping around 1.61 million DAI, averaging $998.2 per MKR. And then we also have venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, who recently moved over 1,300 MKR to Coinbase at an average price of $970.35. Over the last 4 days, the total is approximately $5.83 million. The VC company also moved about 6,900 MKR, valued at a little over $8 million, to a new wallet address. And Maker's token buyback program actually appears to be one of the primary reasons for the increased interest in MKR. The total market cap sits at just over $1 billion, but the buyback would reduce 0.7% of the supply per month at current prices. So the buyback scheme has led to increased confidence in MKR, rightfully so. It also attracted short-term traders and long-term investors to profit from the token's bullish momentum. MKR is a governance token, and it's important to the Maker protocol. The token holders influence the protocol and vote on proposals on the use of DAI. MKR currently trades at $1,190.62. Okay, and finally, last but not least, at number 3 here, we're looking at GMX. Whales, as I alluded to earlier, have been very busy in the Arbitrum ecosystem. And really one of the projects that has caught their attention more than others, much more so than others, is GMX, which has everything that it needs to grow as a project, as an ecosystem. And so increased whale activity doesn't come as too much of a surprise. GMX uses its decentralized perpetual exchange technology to govern a growing segment of the blockchain space. There's massive potential in this protocol. And GMX currently trades at $53.43, but experts do believe that the token could surpass its all-time high, which for reference was just over $91, and we expect that it could achieve new all-time highs in the coming months. I want to remind you quickly at the end of this video that we have an exclusive new campaign with Bybit that includes up to $81,000 in prizes, of which you can get your share, and you can earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and how much you trade. Also, at the same time, we're launching our brand new trading competition that has up to $51,000 in its prize pool. And the idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. And if you want to find out more, just click the link in the description below.